Greetings. Today, we are exploring an amazing AI text summarizer created by Salesforce engineers. And by the time we're finished with this conversation, you'll be able to make your own with just 5 lines of code. So I've experimented with many AI summarizers, so you don't have to. And in my opinion, this is one of the better ones, and I'd like to share it with you. Before we do, let's discuss a background. In the realm of AI, there are 2 types of summarizations. The first kind is called extractive, and in extractive, this is where you take high-ranked sentences within a body of text input, and then that becomes your summary. The second kind is abstractive. Abstractive is where you take high-ranked sentences, and then from that you generate new content. The tool created by the Salesforce engineers, this does abstractive summarization. All right, so let's install dependencies. We'll need 3 dependencies. The first one is PyTorch. The next one is transformers. And we need the transformers because we're interacting with the Salesforce transformer. The next library is called summarizers. And this is the actual library that is interacting and loading the Salesforce transformer. So I'm not going to run this because I've already installed this in my system. But if you're following along, you'd want to install those by running that command. All right, so once you have everything installed, the next step is to then create your code. We'll type here summarize, and let's make this markdown. First begin by importing the summarizer library. So we'll do from summarizers, import summarizers. Alrighty, so once we have that imported, we're going to create an instance of the summarizer library, and we'll do s is equal to summarizers. And then we want to find some text. We want to find the text to summarize. You may notice here that I'm using triple quotes. The reason why is because if my text to summarize has quotation marks inside and I don't have triple quotes, then it's not going to play nice with it. So you want to encompass whatever text you're summarizing with triple quotes. Now I have the summarizer loaded here. Then I have the text that I want to summarize. The next step is to actually summarize. So we'll take our summarization instance, and then we'll just pass text to summarize. I'm going to run this. If everything works, we should end up with a summarization of that entire string. Let's see if it works. Right, awesome. So it says atoms are so small that accurately predicting the behavior using classical physics is not possible. Looks good. So I did read through the article, and this looks about correct. I do think that represents a summary of everything that was there. So in the next video, I'm going to show how to take your summary and then do guiding. So imagine being able to get a summary and then ask that summary a question, right? Or even prompt what the summary is going to say. So that's what I'm going to go over in the next video.